take your top, cut it in half, and then turn to the back side of the top and draw a U shape. I'm using a chalk to draw the shape. Once you have drawn the shape, leave some distance and cut it out. Once you have cut the shape, turn the t-shirt inside out. Now fold the corners of the shape and pin it, leaving some space like a centimeter above, such that our string can pass through that. Pin all the corners of the shape. Once you are done pinning, sieve the edges and turn the t-shirt around. So this is how it will look. You can even use a glue if you don't want to stitch. Then cut the excess fabric from the side and then take your string. I'm using this denim string. Then take a safety pin and pin it at the edge of the string. After that, insert the safety pin inside the loop and bring it out from the other side. And then tie a knot. That's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Ta-da!